Hi, all you can do DIYers. So today I'm going to be showing you one of my recipes, zucchini almond muffins. Now the best part about these muffins is there's no dairy, soy, gluten, or sugar in them. Now I use mine with xylitol, so that's why I can say there's no sugar. But if you don't care about sugar and you can have anything in your life, you don't have any dietary restrictions, you can make these with any other sugar substitute or regular granulated sugar, maple syrup, honey, do whatever you need for your body. These are pretty cool because they're technically keto friendly and candida friendly as well. They're actually just really friendly. They really just want you to make them because they're delicious. Unless you have a nut allergy, an egg allergy, or a coconut allergy. Anyway, just check out the ingredients, see if you can make them. If you can, I promise you won't regret it. Let's go. Here is the almond flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, coconut oil, xylitol, egg, zucchini, and chopped nuts. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and now let's go ahead and get this all mixed up. In your mixing bowl, go ahead and mix up your eggs, and then you're going to add the coconut oil. You're going to mix that together. You're going to add the xylitol as well. Go ahead and add the almond flour next. Beat that until combined. Add all your other spices and dry ingredients. You're going to scrape down the sides. Go ahead and add your zucchini and chopped nuts. Mix that till it's combined as well. And here's a final photo of what the batter should look like. Take the batter and go ahead and scoop it into the muffin tins that have been lightly sprayed. I fill mine up halfway and they'll bake just under the top. If you want them to bake more, fill them up higher and you won't get as many muffins. Bake in a 350 oven until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay friends, the muffins are out of the oven and I took one out. Looks like that. Look how cute and pretty they are. Okay, so this hasn't fully cooled yet, but I'm a little too eager and I have to try it. Well, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry. So, and anyone who knows me knows if I don't eat, I turn to bed hangry, okay? So these are so moist. Can you see that? See, I don't know if you can even see the steam. It's not like I have a high-powered camera, I think. Okay, so these are amazing. Nothing on them. That's really good. You know what I'm talking about? Especially when you know what's in them. I mean, it's zucchini and almonds and eggs, coconut oil, pecans, and spices, and that's it. And they're not too sweet. So if you make more of my recipes, you're gonna know my stuff is not too sweet. This is just sweet enough that this could be a breakfast, definitely a snack, look at me, or it could be an after meal treat, you know, like a dessert. I promise, make them. You're gonna be super happy that you did. Oh my God, unreal. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I will see you on another episode of All You Can Do DIY. Please like the video, share it, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks.